right, so after you've done the entrance stuff, first thing we're going to do is check on the books for the Mass. So over at this table, they should be here. If they're not here, they might be over here. They might be on the counter over there. But hopefully they should be here, and you're looking for 3 books. So this big fat book is what the priests use. It's called the Roman Missal. Okay, if it's not here or on the counter, it'll usually be over here. We have a couple different versions, but we use the biggest version. Okay, so Roman Missal. And this is our notebook, our binder for the Mass readings. So if it's not here, it'll be on the counter, or it'll be on the lectern. And then this is really important. This is called the Ordo. This is something that the priests use. So the things that you want to check is, actually the first thing you're going to grab is the Ordo. The Ordo tells us all the readings and special prayers for that specific day of Mass. So the Ordo in here, it should be bookmarked, but if it's not a big deal, because what you need to find is that specific date. So for example, as we're recording this, the next Friday is going to be September 27th. So I would go in here at the top of the pages, you find the month. So I see September, okay, and then almost all of our school masses are on Friday, the 27th, okay? So September, Friday, 27th. All right, so the big thing that you're gonna wanna do with the Ordo is, once you find your day, which is, again, is usually Friday, you're actually gonna skip a couple pages back to the Sunday of that week. So Friday, Thursday, skip back a page, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. I'm trying to find Sunday. So Sunday, see up here is Saturday, so we know the next day is Sunday. So this is the important thing. So 25th Sunday in ordinary time. So why do we need to find that? Because that tells us, so the way that the Catholic liturgical calendar works is each week there's kind of a different set of prayers. And the reason why we want to find this is because we want to match it to the priest's Roman Missal. So notice how, even though this Mass is on a Friday, we still find the prayers for the week. 25th Sunday in ordinary time, 25th Sunday in ordinary time. These are for the priest. We want to make sure, see, all these are Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. So we want to make sure that matches. 25th Sunday in ordinary time, 25th Sunday in ordinary time. Once we make sure that those match, we go back to the actual day of. So remember, we were Friday. And another thing that is helpful to do is, okay, we can double check, what are the readings for that day? So here is all the readings. This is Ecclesiastes 3, 1 through 11, Psalm 144, etc., Luke 9, 18 through 22. So you can just double check in our reading binder, whether it's here on the lectern, that we have the correct readings. And then, really important, make sure you put the bookmark in the correct day and just leave it here for the priest, because there's all sorts of complicated prayers and different parts of the Mass for specific days, especially if it's a specific holy day or martyr day or feast day. The priest will use the Ordo to find specific stuff in the Missal. And we're not going to get into that right now, but it's just good to know. So that is making sure that all the books are ready for Mass.